So while the charts haven't always played out how we hoped in terms of ICP, more specifically speaking, our inverse head and shoulders that could have resulted in this nice, huge 100% move and have instead turned into this kind of trickle down and lower prices, we do have some great things happening that may mean much further adoption and interest for ICP down the road. So first and foremost, looking at the ICP charts, things are actually looking great. We're bouncing right along this trend line. We're trying to find this spot to emerge. And it's going to happen at some point here. In fact, there was a great DCA opportunity that flashed on Sunday. You guys can check that out here. And if you guys do want to use my indicator, again, the link's in the description below. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. There have been some great opportunities that have flashed on here, guys. A lot of these dips got caught, and people have used this for ICP specifically and have gotten big returns because of it. Now, again, that's not financial advice. You guys can do what you want. But what has happened, over the last 24 hours is actually there was the announcement of an ICP ETP, an exchange traded product. So this is similar to an ETF. Now this one is abroad. So what this was actually launched by Valor Inc., which is a DeFi Technologies subsidiary. And they actually launched this, I believe they're based out of Switzerland, if I'm not mistaken. So what they said is Valor Internet Computer SEK ETP offers investors unprecedented access to the future of web developments by tracking the price of ICP, the native token powering the internet computer ecosystem. With its unique focus on simplicity and security, investors can seamlessly engage with ICP through their traditional bank or brokerage accounts. ICP has a market cap of 5.5 billion, ranks 24th, blah blah blah. All right. So the big thing about this is giving unprecedented levels of access to people that weren't necessarily paying attention to crypto before. That's kind of the big thing, right? These ETPs, these ETFs, they're adoption tools for bigger money. Now, some of these, for example, people being able to access it through their traditional bank account or brokerage accounts, this is a big deal because this also helps bridge the middle class for people that don't necessarily, understand DeFi or don't know how to manage their keys or things like that. Now, me personally, I control all my keys, right? I purely live in DeFi. I don't live on exchanges. But if you guys haven't noticed, there has been this ramp up in this launch of ETPs and ETFs, and it's really taking off abroad. Basically, the big lagging thing is here in the US. We only have a spot Bitcoin ETF. There's only, 11 of them? I think it's 11. And they're dragging their feet on getting the rest of things out. Eventually, that's going to change. Eventually, they're going to get to a point where we have tons and tons of these products, and it's going to extend to things like ICP and many of these other top altcoins in the space. And that's when things are really going to get interesting because the crypto market is going to evolve in a big way. We're going to have, bigger institutional money flowing into these products and not just Bitcoin. We obviously saw what that did to Bitcoin price early in this market cycle. Just imagine what that can do to alts with lower market caps, right? BTC has over a $1 trillion market cap. Imagine doing it to one that, for example, if we take a look at ICP, currently has a $5 billion market cap. That's where things get kind of crazy. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. It's nice to see that things behind the scenes are still, going well and taking off. Know that we are still not in the best time of the market. That is coming later in this cycle. That is coming typically later in the year of the halving. That's some of the most exciting times in crypto, at least the trigger for it. That's when the fuse finally ignites and things can get rolling. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below if you think this is going to be a big benefit or if it's just kind of meh. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.